I feel like I'm living in some mystical world. Do you see that eyeshadow? Now check out this magic. With my finger, shadow 1, 2, 3, blending it together. And how stunning is that? Hi everyone, it's Smitha. Welcome back. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I like to teach easy makeup techniques on my channel. Even the most glamorous looks can be broken down into easy steps. You don't need to invest much time into it, and you don't even need very many tools. And that's what I'm going to be showing you today. So without further delay, let's begin. I'm starting with my brows, and for that I'm using my favorite brow pencil. This is the Precisely My Brow from Benefit, and I'm using the shade 4. As always, I like to fill in just the sparse area, so I'm going to use the spoolie brush in the back to brush my brow hair downwards so I can clearly see on top. So I'm going to shape and fill in my brows on top, and then I'm going to use the spoolie again to brush my brow hair upwards so I can shape and fill in just the sparse areas on the bottom portion of my brows. And then using the Milani concealer, this is in the shade 145, I'm going to clean up underneath the brows so it looks sharp and neat, but I'm not going to be using this as a primer on the lids. I'm going to stop somewhere along the socket area, and I'm going to use my finger to blend everything out so it looks soft and nice. And for eyeshadow primer, I'm going to be using the Rare Beauty Always an Optimist Shadow Primer. You can also use a concealer if you prefer. I'm going to be using the WhatsApp Beauty Geodes palette. The eyeshadows are absolutely gorgeous in here. I'm going to pick up citrine with my finger, and I'm going to swipe it very close to my lash line. And then I'm going to pick up Peridot with my finger again, and I'm going to swipe it right above citrine. And then for my favorite shade in the palette now, it's called Crystal for a reason. I'm going to again pick up with my finger, and I'm going to swipe it at my socket. It's a shimmery shade and it has beautiful sparkles to it. I'm going to lightly dab and blend out the shadows, and now the shimmer from Amethyst is going to combine with the other eyeshadows as well to give that beautiful sparkly effect. That looks like a beautiful multi-chrome eyeshadow with shimmer. You can leave it at this if you prefer, but I always like to use a transition shade, so I'm going to dip into Terra with a blending brush, and I'm going to lightly buff it out at the socket. Because we're applying this transition after using the eyeshadows on the lid, those eyeshadows again will combine with the matte eyeshadow and give a beautiful sheen at the crease. I'm also going to be smoking out Terra in my lower lash line. Using my favorite highlighter, Flash, I'm going to highlight my brow bones as well as inner corner. And then using the Aqua Resist pencil by Makeup Forever in black, I'm going to line my waterline as well as use it in my lash line, which later I'll be smoking out. Now with a flat definer brush, this is by Folklore, I'm going to start smudging that liner to get that smoky effect, and this will also help me pull a wing in the outer corner. And that's going to be a soft wing, and it really helps especially if you have hooded eyes, so it won't interfere with the fold. If you do a very sharp wing, sometimes when it interferes with the fold of your hood, it can look distorted, so softer wings are more forgiving. Time to finish up this pretty look. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Lash Boss Bold Volumizing Mascara. That's a mouthful. This is from Laura Geller. And then for lashes, I'm going to be using the Tati Lashes in TL19. And there we have it, my friends. How stunningly gorgeous is this look? And more than anything, how quick and easy was this? If I see somebody wear this to an event or a party, I would think they probably spent hours trying to do their eye makeup, but it literally took like 5 minutes or less. I paired this with my favorite nude lip, a neutral one that suits all skin tones. It's called Bestie for a reason. This is my collaboration with Ofra Cosmetics. What a stunning nude that is. If you attended my live with Ofra a couple days ago, you would have seen this on different skin tones and how beautiful it looked on everybody. If you haven't watched it, it's under the live tab, so do check that out. But overall, such a sophisticated look. If you try this look, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed down below in the description box. I've also listed all the products that I used today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed this video, as always, please don't forget to thumbs up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye, guys.